Hello students, today now part 2 of class 8 NCERT chapter 5 coal and petroleum. In part 1 you have studied about what is resource, natural resources that are exhaustible and inexhaustible resources, fossil fuels which are coal, petroleum and natural gas. Now today we will study about the formation of coal. This process is also known as carbonization. How the formation of coal takes place? Coal formation it takes millions of years to form the coal. What happened actually? About 300 million years ago, the dense forest they got buried under the soil due to some natural calamities like flooding, earthquake, etc. After that, dead plants got covered with the soil and rock and they were compressed. Temperature rose up as they sank deeper and deeper. Then under high pressure and temperature, slowly and slowly the dead vegetation got converted into coal. As coal mainly contains carbon, and this slow process of formation of coal from dead vegetation, that is known as carbonization. Why it is known as carbonization? Because coal mainly contains carbon, and this slow process of conversion of dead plants and animals which mainly contain carbon into coal is called carbonization. This is how coal is formed. I have told you the 5 steps. I repeat the steps. First, about 300 million years ago, the dense forest they got buried under the soil due to the natural calamities like flooding, earthquake, etc. Then they got covered with the soil and rock and they were compressed. Temperature rose up as they sank deeper and deeper. After that, under high pressure and temperature, dead plants and animals got converted into coal. Now the last, as the coal mainly contains carbon, this slow process of conversion of dead plants and animals into coal is called carbonization. Now the next topic I am going to deal is varieties of coal. There are mainly 4 varieties of coal. Peat. Peat contains less than 60% of carbon and it has more moisture content. Lignite, approximately 70% of carbon it contains. Bituminous, that contains 80 to 85% of carbon. Anthracite is the purest variety of coal that contain a maximum of carbon, that is 90 to 96% of carbon. Thank you everyone.